In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out everywhere in Ownerrez. If you want to sign out of your account across all active sessions, this is a quick and useful security step, especially if you've logged in on another device, used a shared computer, or just want to make sure only you have access going forward. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to expect once you use it. To begin, go to Ownerrez and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your account and profile options. Next, click on your profile in the top right. This will open the account menu where you can access a variety of settings related to your login and account management. From that menu, select Safeguards. This section is where Ownerrez keeps important account security controls, so it's the right place to go when you want to manage your sessions and protect your access. After the Safeguards page opens, take a moment to look through the available options until you find the Logout Everywhere setting. This option is designed to end all current login sessions associated with your account. It's especially helpful if you think you may still be signed in on another browser, another computer, or a mobile device you no longer have access to. Once you see it, click Logout Everywhere. As soon as you do, Ownerrez will process the request and immediately sign you out. That means your current session will end right away, and any other active sessions should also be closed. You'll be taken back to the login screen, which confirms that the action was successful. At that point, if you need to continue working, you can simply sign back in on the device you want to keep using. As an extra tip after logging out everywhere, it can be a good idea to review your password and other security settings if you're making this change for safety reasons. And that's all it takes to log out everywhere in Ownerrez. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a simple way to keep your account secure and under your control.